We've got an oldie but a goodie here today. 96 Freightliner FLD120. It's got a 5EK Cat 3406E. Truck came out of California. It's a corporate truck. Has absolutely no rust. They repainted the fenders black, obviously, but the cab is original. Got 10 aluminum wheels on it. 218-inch wheelbase, factory. Airliner suspension. Tires are shot. We trucked it up here. I wouldn't trust them out of town at all. Lowboy ramps. Truck runs and drives well. I've just driven it around town here a little bit, but needs cosmetic attention and lots of little stuff. You can hear it's got some pretty good air leak here somewhere behind the dash, but the interior is really not too bad. Got the full gauge package. Has jakes, but they are inoperable. I'll go ahead and start it up here.